मजा आ गया। मजा आ गया। धैर्य दसेरा पाके तो क्या चला क्या बोला।
Welcome to the game night. That's right, that entry. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome to Game Night with G, brought to you by K Resort, powered by Fasten Up, and goodies from My Sugar Monkey and Bakestagram. That's right, everyone. We have a really, really fun show planned for you tonight, and for the next 1 hour, it's all about finding out whether Team World can catch up to Team Tennis. All right. So that's the plan for the next 1 hour. So sit back, strap into your seatbelts, and get ready for a fun game night. First up, oh yes, and before I forget, for the first time ever on Game Night with G, we are filming in front of a live audience. And if you don't believe me, and our masks are on, safety is on, and game night is on. All right, everyone. So keeping that in mind, I don't know if you know this, but we are also a pet-friendly resort, and the VIP in our audience is right here, Miss Becky. Where is Becky? There she is. Becky. Becky's pumped up and getting ready. All right, guys. So we have a super fun show. Like I said, the first team that won the toss was Team World. It's Team Sweaty Ninjas. Team Sweaty Ninjas are going to be first on to the show. And what can I tell you about this team? Fitness experts, animal flow specialists, handstands, chin-ups, whatever you want. Anything in the fitness world, they are dominating it right now. But let's see if they can dominate a game night like how they dominate in the fitness arena. So I'm just going to quickly send out a request to this team to join us on the show. Just give me a second while I search for the Sweaty Ninjas. Okay, I have not yet seen them there. So give me a second, everyone. I'm going to wait and see what exactly. A little bit of a fancy entry over here from the Sweaty Ninjas. We're going to give them a second. Like I said, we have a lot of fun games planned for you. There are 4 segments that we're going to be playing. And for now, let's just give a couple of seconds for Team Sweaty Ninjas to join us on the show. I think I have a request from... not them. Not yet. Okay, is there a possibility of a points deduction for a late entry? Can we talk trash here or not? Adil Kalyanpur is asking. Well, it's a game night. It's tennis versus the world, so I guess you could talk trash if you want to. But for now, I'm going to give it a second and figure out where the ninjas are. All right, so give me a second. Yeah, maybe you can call them. It's fine.
Are they coming from Ninja?
No, I think they're coming from the Sweaty Ninja handle is what they told me. So I'm gonna just hold on, and if they are not here, we obviously have... I have not yet pronounced the teams, so I need to quickly tell you that it's Sweaty Ninjas that's taking on team Osas. Alright? Thank you, audience. I'm glad you guys were impressed by that. Sweaty Ninjas are warming up and they are here. I can see them over here on the live, so it's time to connect with the ninjas. Give me the team Sweaty Ninjas. What a name. Maybe the second best name though right now, all of these two. What's up, guys?
Whoops.
Hey!
There you go. You know it. You know it. You know it.
You like that intro? Do you like that song just for you guys? We are the champions.
Yes, we are.
Little
What's
bit,
up? How you
confident, very confident, I must say. Playing We Are the Champions before the first question.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it's
Go
also-
home or go back.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Go
All right.
Or go home.
Go home or go? Okay, we got it right. We got it right. What's
There
up,
you
bro?
go.
How are
One
you?
thing,
How are you,
one thing
Shweta? How are
is-
you guys doing? Are you ready for your game night?
Yes, we are. Super excited. Let's do this.
Awesome, man. So, guys, it's going to be very simple. About 4 categories of questions, 12 questions in total. They all add up to 1,000 points, all right? 1,000 points up for grabs. The first category, the audience is going to help you out as much as they can. I'm going to read out a question. And when I read out the question, just reel off as many answers as you can. There's no wrong answer within that 1 minute, all right? I'm going to give you a minute on the clock for your first question on Game Night with G, all right?
Awesome.
So
Alright,
just
give
keep
me a second.
answering.
I don't know if I can. I'm not able to actually see the timer, so you have to give me 1 second before we start. Okay, there you go. Can you see the timer?
Yeah.
Yes.
Your first question on Game Night with G for 100 points, okay? Name some unusual places where babies are sometimes born. Your time starts now.
Somebody's house,
Keep going.
in the jungle, in the forest,
Damn.
Gym.
Where else? An unusual place. Keep going.
Gym.
bathtub,
Bathtub, I don't have it. Think,
Oh.
think a little bit more.
School. Office.
Yeah. Office, yeah, okay, keep going. I need some more. So maybe check the
Bus stand.
comments. There's something in the comments for you.
Airport.
train,
Airport,
flight,
okay, I'll take that. as
Train.
planes as part of that. What else?
flight, train,
Yeah, flight.
bus,
Train, yes, I got trains. What else? Number one
Uh,
answer missing. Number one answer is missing.
Hotel.
Probably
hotel,
keep going. Maybe there's something in the comments again. I've been told to tell you.
Flight. Car.
car,
Car, okay, there you go. We got cars, planes, and trains. I need 2 more
Restaurants.
answers. I'm missing the 4th and the 5th answer.
Restaurants.
bar.
Keep going.
Home. Home. We already said. Or what?
Yeah.
And that's time. So guys, you have actually done pretty well here. Let me just tell you what you got and what you missed, okay?
Okay.
Unusual places,
Cars,
you got
train,
cars,
Train, barn. Okay.
Ah.
Hmm.
No
a barn.
way.
You guys only missed 20 points, so you scored 80 out of 100.
Wow.
That's pretty good.
Thanks, guys, in the comment section.
Yes.
Comment section taking care of those early nerves. 80 out of 100 is a solid start. Sweaty Ninjas, you'll take that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have one more question, same style, same type of format, all right? Same type of format. I'm going to read out a question and then 1 minute on the clock once I read it out. Name some appliances with temperature control.
AC,
Yes.
Microwave.
Number 1, yes.
fridge,
Number 4,
Water heater.
yes. Number 5, only the number 2 answer is missing.
Did I say microwave? Oven.
Yeah.
Good.
Microwave oven, same thing. I'm looking for something else.
AC in the car,
No, you already said AC.
Yeah, you got me. You got AC, you got refrigerator, geyser. I got all those.
What is that?
Maybe there's something in the comments. Maybe there's something there. I don't know.
Sofa? No.
Could be some Dennis hustling.
what about a heater?
Yeah, a heater. It's something to do with heating for sure. That's all I can
Heat
say.
pack,
Pack.
Iron box?
Not really. Not really. I don't think I've heard it yet.
iron box, iron box,
Iron box. Not there. Not in my number 2.
Hair dryer.
Keep going. Keep going. You have about 2-3 seconds. And that's time. That's time, guys.
damn,
So, solid start. Got the
Geyser.
first 4 answers in like literally 5
I already
seconds.
said water heater, no?
You did get water heater. You gave me microwave, AC,
Geyser.
refrigerator, geyser.
But I
Did
didn't
you
say
say
water
stove?
heater though.
stove.
Yeah, you did. Did you say stove? Did you say stove?
No, I didn't say stove.
Yeah.
We
Okay,
didn't
so
say
the
stove,
only-
but we said water heater.
Water heater is falling under geyser. So yeah, water
So
heater.
no, I didn't say stove. I didn't say stove.
Okay.
No.
So the only one you guys missed was the stove, and that concludes the first game for tonight. Okay, the audience was
Okay.
nice and helpful, and you guys
Ah,
scored.
Thank you,
man,
thank you.
so much.
You
Hey,
guys
Dheeraj, again,
scored
wrong answer.
155 out of 200.
Okay.
Pretty good start, but this is where it gets a little bit tricky, okay? It gets a little tricky. Audience, for those of you just joining us, we are moving into the second game. I'm going to change it up a little bit. It's called Trivia Mania. And what's going to happen is I'm going to turn off the comments section. But
Damn
don't
it.
leave. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us. You will still be part of game night comments. I'm going to give you guys an option of 5 categories, okay? Pick any 2 categories out of these. The first one is the TV show Friends. Animal Kingdom is second. Food and drink. General knowledge about nothing. And human body. So give me any 2 categories that you want out of these.
Have you watched Friends?
Okay, friends.
Have you watched?
Yeah.
Sure.
Going?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Like
let's
how
do
much
Friends.
have you watched? Have you watched
Okay,
enough for
Friends.
game night?
Yeah, how much have you watched? Human body?
No.
You're back. You're back.
Let's go. Let's
Let's
go.
go
So we're
Human
going
body.
with Friends.
Okay.
Are we
And
going
human-
with Friends?
We have 2 options, right?
Yeah, give me another option.
Friends and human body.
Friends and human body it is. Well done. Well, I don't know why I'm saying well done. I mean, you just started the game night, this category. Do you want to start with Friends or do you want to start with the human body?
Friends.
Friends.
Friends, all right. This segment brought to you by the super nutritious Fast and Up. All right. Yeah, shout out to Fast and Up for sure. Why not?
How
Game night's
difficult is
powered
this?
by some energy. Sorry?
No, I'm saying how difficult is it going to be about questions about Friends?
We'll see.
You'll
We'll
find
find
out in a
out. We
second.
already chose. Yeah.
You'll find out.
Oh, then
Audience.
maybe we'll the topic.
Team Sweaty Ninjas, they have 2 lifelines, okay? They have 2 lifelines. One is that they can phone a friend if they're not sure and figure out the answer. And the second one is they can request me to turn on the comment section. So if you think you know the answer, go ahead and type it down as soon as I turn on the comment section. But for now, let's begin with your first question on Trivia Mania.
Comment section.
Under the category Friends. We're starting with Friends, okay?
No, we can use both.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. What does Rachel's dad refer to Ross as? I want to give you 4 options. Is
Okay.
it Dr. Dinosaur, Dr. Doolittle, Wet Head, or Hey Stupid?
Hey, stupid.
Could be
Dr. Dinosaur,
Fossil.
Dr. Doolittle,
Okay.
I think Dr.
Wet Head,
Dinosaur.
or Hey Stupid?
We'll go with
What do
Dr.
we normally
Dinosaur.
call it? You can take your time. I'm going to give you the 30 seconds to think, and then I'm going to ask you. Only when you lock in an answer, I'll take it. Okay?
Rachel's dad is an asshole.
Okay. Already. I'm done.
All right. What do you think?
I
I
think
think
he's stupid.
first one.
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Let's go with Dr. Dinosaur.
You're going to lock in Dr. Dinosaur? Once you say lock, I take it.
Lock it.
No, I'm getting my doubts. Okay, let's just go with it.
Unfortunately, when Uncle enters the room, he sees a lot of gel in the hair and calls
Wet
him
head.
Wet Head. Wet Head. Hey, Wet Head. Is
I
what
thought
he
it's
said.
Wet
But
Head.
that's okay. That's okay. Comments. They have 2 lifelines, and 3 more questions to go. Okay?
Okay.
One more question in the Friends category. All right? Who played the supply manager that Phoebe talked out of killing himself? In the episode where somebody was trying to kill themselves on the phone, Phoebe talked them out of killing him or herself. Was it Brad Pitt, Julia Roberts, Jason Vanderbeek, or Jason Alexander?
Think it's Van de Beek. I know the character, but his name.
Do you remember the episode?
Isn't he the chubby guy with the glasses?
If I told you, a lot of people would get angry with me.
You are asking him. I don't know
Should we-
actually.
Keep in mind, you have 2 lifelines.
Comment
You
section.
have 2
Comment
lifelines.
section.
What do you want to go with?
Comment section.
Comment section. Okay, I'm going to keep it here. Comments 15 seconds on the clock. Who was the character that Phoebe talked out of killing him or herself? Your time starts now. The comments are on. Was it Jason Vanderbeek, Jason Alexander, Brad Pitt, or Julia Roberts?
Damn. Jason Alexander.
Okay. And that's time.
Oh
That
my
is
god.
time.
Rohan saying Brad Pitt. I don't know if he's fucking with us or if he's
Hey,
actually helping.
Suhail saying Alexander. I'm gonna go with that.
I saw a lot of answers,
Okay,
and now
I
it's
think
time for you to go with what you think it is. What are you going to give me?
Alexander. Jason Alexander.
You want me to lock in Jason Alexander?
Lock Jason Alexander.
Yeah. Are you sure he said that?
Jason Alexander is correct.
Thanks, Suhail.
The ninjas are off the mark
Yeah,
in Trivia
yeah.
Mania.
Coach Fat Boy, thank you.
Bad boy, he's on.
Just gave me a high five on my fist.
I know, I'm sorry.
Okay, man, well done. You guys got 1 out of 2, but now we move on to the second segment. You guys wanted human body, is that right? Human
Yes.
body?
Yeah.
Human body is what they've gone for. Those of you just tuning in, welcome to Game Night. Sweaty Ninjas are off to a solid start, but they still have a few more questions to go to raise that total, okay?
Okay.
Your first question on human body brought to you by Fast Enough. And keep in mind, you still have a lifeline to phone any friend of yours and put them on speaker so we can hear that conversation. Okay.
How much time do they have? Sorry.
We'll give you 30 seconds.
Okay, cool.
We're not that hard and fast with the rules, but the points we take seriously.
It's fast enough.
Yeah, Fast Enough is serious. All right. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Is it calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, calcium sulfate, or calcium nitrate?
Carbonate.
Carbonate, sulfate, phosphate,
Wanna call it?
nitrate.
Okay, we're gonna use phone a friend.
You're gonna phone a friend? Okay, you can phone a friend. Take your time, and
He'll have to Google it.
He'll Google it.
I hope he can Google it in time. Once we hear the phone picked up, your time starts. My scorekeeper is very strict, especially
Oh
my
my
time
god.
keeper.
Hey, so are you ready? Can I ask him the question now?
Go ahead.
What is can you Google this? Hey, can you Google this?
Quick.
Quickly. So the question is, what is the bone and teeth made of? Calcium carbonate, calcium sulfate, calcium.
What is the main component in bone and teeth? Calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, calcium nitrate, calcium sulfate.
In bone?
In bone and teeth.
Bone and
What's
teeth.
the main component?
What is the main component in bone? What?
Bone and teeth.
Oh, bone and teeth. Okay.
Calcium carbonate, calcium sulfate, calcium phosphate, or calcium nitrate.
Okay,
Calcium
10 seconds. 9. Eight.
Sulfate, carbonate, or nitrate.
Sulfate. 8.
You have 10 seconds.
5.
5. Google fast. Or tell fast.
Okay, you gotta give me an answer. Is what I've
Okay.
been told. What are you going with?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going with carbonate.
It's carbonate.
You're going with carbonate. Is that right? Is that what you're gonna lock in?
Lock it.
It's calcium phosphate.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
Who said that?
Man, phone a friend,
Disappointing.
not executed 100%.
I wish
That's all
we
right,
could
it's all
turn
right.
on
You
the
still have
comment
one
section.
more question. You still have one more question, okay?
Okay, go
One
for
more
it.
question. On human body, short-sightedness can be corrected using convex lenses, concave lenses, convex-concave lenses, or concave-convex lenses.
Short-sightedness, no?
Short-sightedness. It
Means
can
that
be
you can't
corrected.
Can't
far
see. Yeah, far away.
Yeah, you can only see close.
Convex,
If you want
concave.
to be able to see far away,
Yeah, it is concave. Concave like this. Like this. Oh.
But you don't think it's one of those combinations of convex concave?
Concave, convex, or combinations? You can give me an answer now. What are you going with?
All right. So,
Concave. Lock.
Do you want me to lock it?
Yes.
Concave is correct.
Told ya.
Team World is having some support over here in K Resort.
thank you.
You can breathe now. You can breathe. The trivia section is over. The comment section will join you, and the pressure is a little off.
Great. Let's do
Awesome.
it.
So you guys have done pretty well in that segment. You got 2 out of 4, I believe. And 2 out of 4, obviously that's 200 out of 400. But I'll give you your total score at the end, okay? I'm keeping a track of everything.
Okay.
We're going to move on to a game, everyone, called Blindfold, okay?
Blindfold,
The way
okay.
Blindfold works is pretty much just like Taboo. Either Dave or Shweta steps up to the plate to play the game first. I'm going to hold up a question that is brought to you, by the way, by Bakestagram, and also brought to you by my Sugar Monkeys, okay? We have a bunch of sponsors who want to give you a lot of goodies if you get these answers right. So there's a lot of
Awesome.
treats coming in. So if you get these right, I can promise you that Bakestagram by Hasnain Abbas has some fantastic granola bars, and they'll find their way to you wherever you are,
Awesome.
okay? And of course, my Sugar Monkeys is a big fan of yours, and you got a lot of chocolate coming your way too. Okay, but for
Awesome.
that you need to get a few answers right, is what they said.
Yeah.
So 30 seconds on the clock. Who's gonna play the game first?
You play the game.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay. So Shweta, I need you to close your eyes and stay on screen. Stay on screen.
on
It's fine.
screen.
You can stay on screen. Yeah. We have learned that people need to stay on screen. So you stay. Just make sure your eyes are closed, and then I am going to show Dave a word, and you have to get her to say that word without saying the other 5 forbidden words.
Okay.
At no
Say that
point
again,
do
sorry.
you-
Can you repeat
Just
that?
just make sure you don't use the 5 forbidden words and make her get the top word that I have here, okay? Don't use the tactic like dash or sounds like or rhymes. That's the only rule. Anything else is fine, okay? 30
How much
seconds
time?
on the
30
clock,
seconds. Okay.
starting now.
So this is what I would eat in the summer.
Can I open my eyes?
No. And this is what I would put in my gin tonic.
Soda,
What else?
lime,
Something to change the temperature.
ice.
Yeah.
There you go. Well done. Strategically played there. Gin and tonic, huh? Gin and tonic, now we know.
Super.
Nice, bro. Nice. Well done. Sweaty Shweta knows what you like in your drink. Moving on to the second question on Blindfold. We'll keep it the same. Let's keep Shweta with the eyes closed. And Dave, you're up again. One more question for you.
All right.
Okay. Get this, and you've nailed all the desserts for the evening. Okay.
Awesome.
30 seconds on the clock. Here you go.
All right. So this is where I go back once I'm done with work.
Home.
Yeah.
Whoa. Nice. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. He couldn't say live. He couldn't say place, sleep, house, or family, and he still got
First
it.
thing that I thought of is dash is where the heart is, and then I remember you said no dash.
Yeah, that's what even I wasn't exactly sure of. But you made it happen. You made it happen.
Awesome.
By the way, comment section, are you seeing Sweaty Ninjas clearly? I'm seeing them fine too. Just want to double check. How's the clarity? Is it okay? You guys see me good?
Yeah, we see you.
Okay.
Very nice and
Okay.
clear.
Fantastic. So now we flip it around, and let's have Sweaty Shweta step up
Alright.
to the plate. Ninja Dave, eyes closed, please.
Done.
All right. 30 seconds on the clock once I show you the word. All right?
Okay. Yeah.
And go.
I gave you this from my house, and it's in your room.
What?
I gave you this.
What else? Okay, give me some other. Watch out
It's
for
in
this.
your room and it's brown. It's soft.
Blanket.
Yes.
Boom! Well done. I think, bro, you were a little bit nervous, huh? It's in your room.
Yeah, like soft and brown. I'm like, what are you talking?
Yeah. But when she said brown, she got it. When she said brown, you're like, okay, fine. Well done. So you got another right one. Your final question on blindfold. Okay, this is your final question.
Okay.
Same format. Shweta steps forward. Ninja with the eyes closed.
Eyes closed.
Brought to you by Pixtagram. Your time starts now.
You are.
What you are?
What
Ninja?
are you? What are you? No, and then what are you?
Boy, human.
No.
man,
What do you do?
Trainer,
Ah?
coach.
Oh, yes. There you go.
Coach?
You got it?
Yeah.
You got it? Boom! Wow, that was 300 out of 300. Well done, guys.
Awesome.
Like that was so easy. You are.
The score is moving fast and up. Wow, that sounded pretty cheesy. Okay. Final game for you guys, okay? Two questions of who's more likely to. So close your eyes again. You either point to yourself or to your partner based on what you know,
All right.
feel is the right
This
thing
will be
would
pretty easy, I think.
They're really quick. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So your first question on who's more likely, close your eyes. Hands where we can see them. Who is more likely, close your eyes, and who is more likely to hold the plank position for a longer time? Open your eyes.
Damn it!
Oh! Did you guys get that? I wasn't seeing. You guys missed it. Oh man! Please tell us the story. What happened there? Who's holding the
You
plank?
didn't see it? You didn't see it?
I saw it. I saw you pointing to her.
And I pointed to him.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So who's better?
I think it's her.
Oh man,
She's really good
that's
at
a little
poetry.
slip over there. But we still have one more question.
All right.
Close your eyes and get ready to point. Who is more likely between the two of you to be excited to play on a game night? Open your eyes.
Yeah.
Well done.
Good job.
So guys, there you go. You got 1 out of 2 there. How do you guys think you did through the game night? That concludes all my questions for Team
Oh,
Sweaty
sweet. We
Ninja.
were having so much fun.
Yeah,
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
It would have been nicer if we could play this for another 3 hours.
Yeah. Another half
But
an
she
hour.
would have played for
Not
more
3
time,
hours.
bro, because she likes game nights even more than you, it looks like.
Yeah.
The minute we heard the word excited,
Yeah.
I was just
Yeah.
pointing it.
That was me.
Excited. That's smart play, man. You're a smart guy. That's a smart play. That's a really,
Thanks,
really
bro.
smart play. Okay, are you ready for your final score?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay. Your final score on Game Night with G is 705
Turn
The audience is happy with that performance.
I think so.
So
That was
guys,
fun. That was a lot of fun.
705, you put Team World back into the lead for sure.
Okay.
And are you guys going to stick around to find out if your lead is going to hold? It's time
Yes.
to bring on your challengers.
Let's do it.
Man, thanks a lot for being such good
Thank
sports
you
on
for
the show.
having
You know,
us.
and obviously
Thank you so
everybody
much.
that's
It was a
watching.
lot of fun.
There's one thing that I forgot to mention, which you need to know. Whenever this whole madness with the lockdown situation ends and everything, please come down to K Resort in Pondicherry. You guys have won 3 nights and 2 days free stay whenever you want here at K Resort.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So you can
Can we
come
do
and
like a
start
live-
climbing all the trees.
Can we
Start
do a
climbing all
live-
the trees and posting some nice videos. Yeah, for sure, dude.
Sorry, I got a call. I was saying, can we do a live game night when we are there?
Yes.
100%. When you come, make a plan with all the tennis players and we'll do a live face-off in K Resort.
Done. Done.
Thanks a lot for being on, guys.
All
And
right.
let's see if your
Bye.
score holds
Yeah.
up. Bye, guys. Bye. Well, guys, there you have it. There you have it. 705 points the score to beat. Halfway through the segment at 9:30. The next half is Team Tennis. Representing Team Tennis, everyone, tonight is Team Ubumwewe, Unyatumwewe, Ubum Osas. Adil, I hope you're happy with my pronunciation there. But now it's time to send you a quick request and bring on Team... Not going to say that again. All right, let's just quickly send it out to the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Kalyanpur. Please join us with Bugs Chandy on the show for your game night.
Oh.
Yo, look at that.
Yeah, world in my palms. Knew I was the greatest all along. Yeah, I feel like Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah, I feel like Shah Rukh Khan. 20,000 fans all along. I can never do no wrong.
What's up, guys? What's going on?
What's happening?
Hello.
Always need some sort of prop, right? Either a mask or a witch hat.
Some sort of prop is needed. I saw that. Are you guys able to see me good? Are you able to see me well?
Yeah. Able to see us?
Yeah, you're a little pixelated on my screen, Team Osas.
Osas. Boom. Easy.
One more time, slowly.
No, okay, you're messing with me now. But you can see us.
All right. Little bit blurred on your side. Do you want? I'm gonna send you out and say, okay, get you back in, and I think we'll be better then. All right.
Okay, we'll do that.
This purposely happened just to make sure that I have to introduce his stupid name once more. That's basically what's happened. So now, representing Team Tennis, the score to chase is 705 points. Is Team Ubum Wewe Unyatum Wewe Ubum Oisas. All right. Every time I say it, apparently I get an applause. It's nice. Okay, I'm going to send out a request to the team Tennis. And we are connecting, and you are back.
Better?
We're looking a little better. We're looking solid.
All right.
What's up, guys? What's up, Tangam? Are you ready for your game night?
Ready, I'm so excited. Let's go.
Nice. I've seen you in the comment section through the entire first season. It's time for you to step up to the plate, yo.
We're getting into it. But the question
Okay.
was so hard. Can you repeat
Was
the
the
name?
question hard?
Our team name. Any chance you can repeat it?
Okay, I'll repeat it one more time just for you, man. Your team name is Ubum Wewe Unyatum Wewe Ubum Oisas. All right?
I love it. Oh, we're still blurry.
First segment, Game Night with G. You know how this goes. 1 minute on the clock. Auntie saying a little blurry, but we'll adjust. You have proved that your trustworthiness through Game Night, so we know that you will close your eyes. So I'm not concerned. As long as you can see my screen, that's all that really matters, right? Because you need to see the question.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. And as long as you can do that, your first question on Game Night with G, chasing 705 points. Name some things for which kids save money.
Candy, toys.
Number one. Yes. Number two. Keep going.
Ice cream, cotton candy.
Yeah, same segment. Toys, ice cream. I got toys. I got chocolates, ice cream. Need something else? Need more? More things that they save money.
Cards, Pokemon cards, a phone. Comment
keep
section,
going.
guys. Where you at?
Comments. Hello, help us.
Headphones.
Keep going. Keep going. I only got the 1 and 2.
Foods.
Those remote control cars, pizza,
That's
food.
all toys, right?
Okay.
Any form
It's
of
part
food.
of toys. Another type of toy. We need another type
Baby
of toys around the toys.
Bicycle.
Keep going. Keep going.
Friends, help us.
Pizza.
Save money for what else are they saving money for?
Video games.
Video games. Good
That
one.
video games is what I needed. That was number 3. I need the 4 and the 5.
Junk food, shoes, socks. clothes, teddy bears,
Teddy
stuffed
bear,
toys.
seriously?
Uh,
And that's time, guys. That is time.
what did we miss?
So, top three answers checked. The fourth and the fifth did not make it. This is what I had, okay? Chocolates and ice cream, toys, video games, books. I needed some books. I need the Gen Z to start reading, man. I need you guys to start
Yeah.
reading a little bit. Okay. Enough
As
of
an
video
end,
games and all. Start reading. Pick up a book.
we did not save up for
Okay.
books.
What is the fifth one?
Yeah, save up, man. Trust me. You need it. And apparently you save up for trips, but that's a googly 5-pointer. But you guys scored 80 out of 100. Similar start to Sweaty Ninjas. Exact same start, by the way, from what I
Right.
remember.
We're on the right track.
Okay,
Yes.
your second question on
Yes.
Game Night with G under the feud segment. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Gen Z, are you ready in the comments? Okay. Name something associated with a turtle.
Slowness,
Slow.
hard shell.
1, 2.
Small.
1, 2. Yes.
What is it? The hair, the tortoise in the hair, the.
Yes. Okay, I'll give you that. I got 1, 2, and 4. I need 3 and 5.
So, yeah, okay, that quote.
3 and 5.
What do they do? They exist. They're there. They're green.
Land.
They have
Damn, okay, they exist.
land and water, shell.
Green.
They're green. They have weird scales.
Keep going,
They
keep going.
swim.
Maybe there's something there.
The previous team on here were
What are the
ninjas,
other
Ninja
reptiles?
Turtle.
What are the other?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, that's my number
Yeah.
3. Well done. So you got
Thanks,
the top 4.
Wisdom. I don't know
Wisdom.
why wisdom. The back of a turtle. They are fleshy on the inside.
Kung Fu Panda one.
The skeleton is actually part of them. It's not like an extra. No, that doesn't
I
matter.
don't think they know.
Your
All I
face-
can say is I saw the answers go by in the comment section for your 5-pointer. That's all I can say. But you have
Land and
4
water, swim.
seconds to find
Long
it.
living.
Long living. Nice.
Long living.
Not
long
nice,
living.
not nice enough. But well done.
Oh, learning.
H?
No?
No?
You got the number 1 in Shell. You got Moves Slowly, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and the hair. I don't know if you said beach or ocean associated with the turtle.
And then water, if that counts somehow.
We said water. Oh,
Nah. The chairman of my rules committee says that's not allowed.
Okay, we'll take what we can
Okay.
get. It's cool.
95 out of 100, guys. Pretty solid start. 175 out of 200 is what we are at. And we move on to the second segment. It's called Trivia Mania. I'm sure you guys are aware. For those of you joining us and sticking around for the second half of Game Night with Team Tennis, 5 options on the board. Give me any 2 that you like. All right, here we go. You can pick between Friends, Animal
Friends.
Kingdom.
Definitely friends.
yeah. Not to be copycats of our competitors, but we're gonna go. I think with friends.
and human body.
and human body.
probably, Yeah.
Check it out.
Wow. I'm shocked that you picked human. Oh, wow, they're wearing the Friends shirt.
We are
They're both
hardcore
wearing the Friends.
fanatics.
Nice, I like it.
We,
Your test of knowledge of Friends will be determined very soon.
we live by that show.
Do you want to go with Friends first or do you want to go with Human Body, by the way? What do you want to start with?
We'll start with friends.
Friends.
We'll start with friends.
Starting with Friends. 30 seconds on the clock to decide whether you want to use a lifeline. Keep in mind, you have 2 lifelines for the next 4 questions, okay? Which actress did Rachel kiss?
Winona Ryder.
You want me to lock it?
Just double check.
Winona.
Yeah, we
Reese
know
You have 21 seconds.
So one of the
right?
Winona.
Right.
We're going with Winona. Ryder. That's a tongue twister.
Okay. Yeah.
Lock it?
Lock.
Okay, so the team tennis is going to lock in Winona Ryder. Winona Ryder is correct. You feel good? You feel good that you got the first one on Friends, so now you guys feel smart, huh?
Little bit,
We
yeah.
do. Being fluent in friends.
Okay. Comment sections are turned off as always. Second question, comments stay with us because if they need your help, they will ask me to turn you on turn you on for the comments. All right. Comments. Let's just say that didn't happen. All right. Moving on. Second question on the category of friends. How old was Monica and Ross's cousin Cassie when she came to visit them? Was she 24, 25, 26, or 27?
My goodness me.
That's right.
Oh. I mean, I was hoping you'd put like 19, 28, 55, 104, but
You remember the episode?
Yes, you
yeah,
remember the
very
episode?
clearly. Her hair stands
The
out.
hair flip, yeah.
You remember everything but the age. It's a pick. Go in the middle.
24, 25, 26, 27. Are we going with a lifeline or an answer?
We're going with 25
25.
because we need the lifelines for human body.
Yeah.
'Cause-
You want me to lock in 25?
Yes.
Yes.
Sick feeling that it's 26, but we're
Yes,
locking
I
in
feel like
25.
it's 26 now. Oh, good.
You're locking in 25, right?
Yes.
25 is correct. That is a big time answer. That was my curveball and you guys got it. Well done, team.
Game night.
Well done. We're moving on to the human body. I'm sure you guys are pretty confident because you have 2 lifelines for these questions, okay? Human body questions with 2 lifelines in hand. The first question on human body. Which part of the brain controls anger, fear, and body temperature? Is it the hypothalamus? Is it the cerebrum? Is it the brainstem or the cerebellum? It controls anger and body temperature and fear.
Okay.
Call
Call.
someone.
I think we're going to use a lifeline.
Lifeline, definitely.
We are going to call.
You're calling someone, okay? You're calling
Yes.
someone. I'm going to keep the comment card right here so you can say that you can read it out to your. Who are you calling, by the way?
Calling the Fed Cup captain, very well-known coach, Mr. Vishal Uppal, ex-Davis Cupper.
Oh, Mr. Uppal in the house. Let's check out his human body knowledge.
Also,
He's on the spot, bro.
here we go. You want to ask the question?
You're not calling your dad the doctor and you're calling Vishal. I like that.
Same IQ level. Okay, the
I
question.
see.
Hi, sir. Yes, a medical question for you. So the question is, which part of the brain controls anger, fear, and body temperature? I'm not even going to give you the options, hoping that you know this. Hypothalamus, brainstem, cerebrum, and cerebellum. Oh, I know cerebellum. Huh?
10 seconds.
Yeah? Okay.
I think so. Sorry.
Okay, we're going with that. We're going with hypothalamus. All right.
Hypothalamus. You want me to lock it? What did Vishal say? What did Vishal say?
Lock in.
Lock in, yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Well done, Vishal. Well done, Team Tennis. Hypothalamus is correct. Wow. Well played, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you use a phone a friend lifeline. All right. Well done.
You called somebody knowledgeable. Sorry. Just
Your final question on the human body segment. You have 1 lifeline for this. I'm pretty sure you will use it just in case, I would think. Which of the following helps with clotting? Is it vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin D, or vitamin K?
okay, definitely B1 or B2. Oh, not definitely.
Turn on the
Yes,
clock.
turn on the comment. I'm hoping that my wonderful dad.
Turning it on? Okay. No worry. 15 seconds on the clock. Comments are turning on now. 15, 14, 13,
Comment?
12,
Yeah.
11,
K.
10, 9,
Oh, 3 Ks. Yes. I was so.
6, 4,
Dave, bro.
2, 1. Comment section are off. What did you learn? What did you learn there?
We learned that everybody seems to think it's K except for one of my friends from Spain. So
But let me tell you something. Everybody thought that the answer was something else in another episode, and you were hell-bent that the answer is USA, if I'm not mistaken. So are you going to go with everybody, or are you going to go with your own brain? That's the question. This is the moment of truth for you. Are you going to go with the audience or with your own brain?
I don't know. I have no idea. It's up to you.
K.
Okay, just listen to them.
K. We're going with the audience, guys. I hope you.
Please be
There you have it. Adil has officially decided to not go with his own answers and go with the audience. Convinced by Tangam. The answer is correct.
Oh.
Well,
Yeah.
welcome back, comment section. Let me just quickly turn that on. And there you go, guys. I think, did they get everything right? Wow, you got 400 out of 400 in that segment, guys. Well done.
Okay.
But there's still 400 points to play for. There's 300 points coming up in the next segment, brought to you by Sugar Monkeys and Bakestagram. Again, you get the answers right, you're going to get a lot of goodies coming your way. Granola bars from Bakestagram, and chocolates and desserts from My Sugar Monkeys. Adil, what do you have to say about My Sugar Monkeys? Any review there?
Love it, absolutely love it. Oof. The stuff looks unbelievable. Brownies, highly recommended. Just if anybody's going upon it.
So you're going to be getting stuff from them and from Bakestagram granola bars if you can give me the right answers for blindfold, okay? Blindfold, ladies and gentlemen, very simple. The way it works, one of you step up to play, the other one closes their eyes and gets you to try to get the answer right once I say it, okay? So who's going to play first?
Should I close my eyes first?
You go.
I'll close my eyes.
Okay, you
Okay,
close
I'm
yours.
closing my eyes first.
Closing your eyes first. Bakestagram, Sugar Monkeys based in Chennai, delivering to Bangalore. Your time starts now.
Right. Balu the.
Bear.
Oh my god.
Character. So that's going to go under review, but we are going to give you that. Well done, because I didn't specify any rules there. And Balu the bear is a character. It's a character, so that is not the actual word, but that will work. Anyway, you get the points for that, and we will figure that out later. So anyway, 75 out of 75. Second question, also from Bakestagram. And you are making this mistake once. Anyway, so your time starts now. Keep your eyes closed there, Tangam.
I don't make any good of
Food.
Panda.
Jokes.
Boom.
Nice, well done. Not even one good joke, huh? Bugs, not even one good.
It's an inside joke that I don't make good jokes. So
It's not inside anymore. You have just said it in front of 100 people on a live, so you're bad at jokes. We found out. Okay, moving on to the next way of playing. So now, Adil, you close your eyes, and Tangam is up for her first question on blindfold. Adil, keep your eyes closed.
it's closed.
Hey, look, by the way, before we start, it's Balu the bear is saying give them the points. That must be a sign that you will get those points, okay? So don't worry, you got 2 out of 2. Going into the third question, 30 seconds on the clock, get Adil to say this word.
Oh my gosh, what am I studying to be?
A lawyer.
Yes!
Wow.
Better.
Look at that. This couple knows each other really well, and they're just cruising along. Are you going to complain that the questions are hard still? Because this was your
No.
easy segment. You guys are doing all right. Okay, so no more complaints right now. Final question on blindfold. Get him to say this word.
All is fair in love and
War.
He is on it. He's on it. All is fair in love and war is how she sold it. Well done. Well done, guys. 300 out of 300. We still have 2 more questions for you. If I can snag it. Well done, guys. So how do you think you guys are doing so far? You guys are doing okay?
I think,
So,
yeah. It's been a lot of yes, that is the right answer instead of unfortunately that is incorrect.
We're
So
already excited for the brownies, so
yeah.
Yeah, you've already got brownies, granola bars, everything coming your way. Just FYI. So, team Uvum Onyatum Ubim Oisas.
Uh,
They're doing pretty well. You still have a chance to make 100 more points on game night. Keep in mind 2 more questions of who's more likely. Close your eyes and let's get this segment started. So point to whoever you think is the person. Yeah, that's the way to point. Adil, well done. Great practice there. Good practice.
okay, here we go.
Eyes closed. Between the 2 of you, who is more likely to enjoy an all expenses paid cruise around the world? Open
Anytime.
your eyes.
Ah.
Nice. Well done. Team tennis on fire. Ninja Dev, I hope you're watching. The lead seems to be going away quick. Final question on Game Night with G. Who is more likely to enjoy cold weather more? Enjoy the cold weather. Open your eyes. Okay. Well done, guys. Well done. So, why is that? You're the one who's training in Germany, but she apparently likes her cold weather.
I don't like the cold
he
that
doesn't
much.
like it. And I go to Uti like all the time just for the cold and the sweater weather, so.
Ooty. Okay. Wow. Okay. Are you guys gonna? By the way, before I give you your final score, I saw you post a little something about maybe you doing some kind of talent again for the show. So, do you have anything lined up for us? A lot of people were very curious if you have something, even though we don't have a talent section. Does this team have something?
Talent section. I mean, I can pull a coin out of her ear. Full card again.
He's doing it again. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. I like this talent more. He pulled it out again from his mouth. He should have waited. I have your final score with me. It's come in. The answers have come in. Wow. Dude, stop it.
That's all I got. Okay. That's all for the talent magic part of it.
So, guys, your final score has come in. Okay, your final score has come in. The score to beat was 705.
All right.
You have got a pretty good score here. You want to take a guess? Any guesses? Did you reach the 900 club, 800 club? What do you think?
I think we are at 910.
Something.
Is that a personal record on Game Night with G?
That
Oh
that
my
is.
God.
Oh my God! What?
900. So the only points that you guys dropped were in the feud segment, and then you guys went 4 out of 4 in trivia. You went 3 out of 3. Sorry, 4 out of 4 in blindfold, and you nailed the who's more likely to. So you didn't drop any points really. Which also means that Team Tennis going into episode 4 is leading by 375. I think a lot of people are very proud of you on the Indian tennis circuit, not just for your rapping or your tennis, but also for your game night skills.
Best performance 2020 has been on Game Night with G.
That's right. Well, thanks a lot for being on the show. I know you're leaving to Germany very soon. Is that right? To practice over there?
24 hours.
24 hours. You snuck in a game night with Tangam. Tangam, did you enjoy yourself on the game night?
So much fun. Thank
Ridiculously high score. Sweaty ninjas are like, we got owned. Congrats, guys.
Yeah, so much
The
for
questions were tough, but all I can say is their friends' knowledge is really, really high. guessing the age of a character was ridiculously good without a lifeline. And that's where the separation was. 975. It's almost a perfect game night. Well done, guys. Hi, Sandra. Sandra is always here, as always, in the comments. So thanks a lot, man. Please tune in from Germany. Tangam, tune in from Bangalore for episode 4. Do you want to know which team world is joining in the next episode?
Yes.
Ooh.
It might be time to bring in the golf teams.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
Who are we looking at?
We don't know. We will tell you that soon. But Neha is very, very excited that Team Golf is going to be taking on Team Tennis very soon. Thanks a lot, guys. And I'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, obviously, whenever you come to Pondicherry, you again want 2 more nights in 3 days at K Resort. And you got all these goodies coming in from Bakestagram and My Sugar Monkeys. And that score from Fast and Up is what they have said. The highest scoring team on Game Night with G will be getting a big bundle from Fast and Up. So you've set up a very, very MVP looking score is what I can say. Okay?
Okay. We ain't complaining.
So a lot of gifts for you on Game Night. So bye, guys. Thanks a lot for being on.
Thanks for having us.
Bye-bye.
Well, there you have it, everyone. The big, big lead for Team Tennis. It's 375 points for Team Tennis moving into episode 4. We're going to keep this going, and it's going to be Team Golf coming on in the next episode to take on tennis. Tune in next Sunday at 9 p.m. here on Indian Tennis Daily. Game Night with G, brought to you by K Resort, Fasten Up, Bakestagram, My Sugar Monkeys. All right? Tune in very soon and be a part of episode 4 to find out if tennis is just going to run away with it or can golf do something about it. Bye, everybody. Take care and stay safe as always.